Welcome back, crochet lovers. Today we're making a gorgeous multicolor flower coaster, perfect for brightening up your table or gifting to a friend. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crocheter, this is a fun, relaxing project to try. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a cozy crochet moment with me. Let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, work 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and repeat that 10 times total. This will form the foundation petals. Slip stitch to close the round. You're doing great, just focus on keeping your tension even. Moving on to round 2. Into each CH1 space, work 1 single crochet and 1 chain, then 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this 5 times around. This will add some lovely depth to your flower. Tip: count your stitches out loud to stay on track. Round 3 time. Chain 1, then repeat the sequence 5 times. 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, then 1 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, chain 3, 1 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, then 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, skip 3 stitches. You're doing beautifully, just go petal by petal. Let's create the layered petal look. In this round, repeat 5 times. 3 unfinished double crochets together. Chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet, chain 3. Take your time here. This part really makes your flower pop. A gentle tug on your yarn will help even out those petals. time to expand. In each space, work 4 double crochets, 1 chain, and repeat that 15 times around. This gives the coaster a fuller shape. You're halfway there. Yay! Keep going. Your colors are coming together beautifully. Now for a round with more texture. Chain 4, 4 double crochets, 2 double crochets. Repeat this set 15 times around. This will give your coaster those lovely multicolor waves. Tip: use different colors for each section to make it really vibrant. We're adding lacy details. Single crochet, chain 4, skip 2 stitches, single crochet. Repeat this around the circle, then slip stitch to close. It's looking delicate and elegant. Great job. Final round. Work 1 single crochet, chain 4, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and repeat that 30 times. This gives us that flower lace effect. You've reached the end. Give yourself a round of applause. Optional flower time. Chain 12, skip 3, then do 9 foundation waves, followed by 3 chains and a slip stitch to close. Add 1 or more of these flowers on top of your coaster for extra flair. And there you have it. Your beautiful multicolor flower coaster is complete. Great job sticking with it. Don't forget to tag me if you share your coaster online. I love to see your version. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cozy crochet projects. Until next time, happy hooking.